Assalamu alaikum, my dear Falconians of level 5. I am your science teacher, Miss Maha Rehan, and today in this video, I am going to continue unit number 12, the solar system. As you already know that in the previous video, we have completed the first topic about solar system. Now in today's video, we are moving on towards the second topic, 12.1, the sun. First of all, I'm going to give you the explanation about the sun, and then we are going to discuss the components of sun. So what is the sun? The sun is a star made up of burning gases. About 70% of the sun is hydrogen gas. Almost all the rest of the percentage is of helium. There are also tiny amounts of carbon gas, iron, magnesium, neon, nitrogen, oxygen, and silicon. All these carbon, iron, magnesium, neon, and nitrogen, oxygen, these all are the elements. You may learn about these elements in the future classes. The sun is not a big star compared to others in the universe. However, about 1 million planets the size of the earth could fit inside the sun. The sun is believed to be about 5 billion years ago. It has been burning since it was formed, and one day the sun will burn itself out. However, the scientists believe that it will be about another 5 billion years before that happens. Now, you all know that moving on towards the components of sun, there are overall 3 components. The first one is the solar flares. What do you mean by solar flares? Solar flares are huge explosions on the sun, and due to those explosions, it results in the gases, the releasing of gases from the sun, and those gases which release from the sun, they discharge into the atmosphere, into the Earth's atmosphere. These gases can interfere with satellites sent from the Earth. Now let me show you a simple diagram of solar flares. As you can see that this is the sun, but there are explosions on the sun, and when these explosions occur, so it is called solar flares. Now moving on towards the second component, which is the solar winds. Solar winds occur when gas particles released from the sun enter the Earth's atmosphere. As I have told you earlier, when these gas particles come into contact with the gases in the Earth's atmosphere, so by the collision of these two gases, they can cause a spectacular light, shows like the northern lights and the southern lights. So this solar winds is actually related to solar flares. When solar flares happen, so then solar winds can occur. Then moving on towards the last topic, which is sunspots. What do you mean by sunspots? Sunspots are the areas of the sun surface that look darker than surrounding areas. This is because they are cooler than the lighter areas. Now let me show you the diagram of sunspots. As you can see, this is the simple sun, but there are some type of black spots. So these areas which are darker than the other areas, surrounding areas, these areas are called sunspots. So today we have covered the whole topic of 12.1, the sun, in your science book page number 97 and 98. Now what is your home assignment level 5? Open your science copies, write down today's date, and write down the question with blue color. The first question is, what is the sun composed of? You have to write down the composition of sun, that by which things the sun is made up of, by how many gases, and what is the percentage of gases. You have to write down the whole composition. Then the second question is, define the following terms. As I have explained you all the 3 terms, solar flares, solar winds, and sunspots, you have to write down only the definition of these terms. So make sure to complete your answers. Inshallah, I will be meeting with you in the next video with the further on topics. Till then, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day, level 5.